Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado graham ice cream. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 cup of crushed graham crackers for that delightful crunch. Make sure everything is well chilled before you begin. This ensures a smooth and creamy texture for your homemade treat. Now, let's create the creamy avocado base. Scoop the flesh from your 2 ripe avocados into a blender or food processor. Pour in the full can of condensed milk. Blend these 2 ingredients together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and there are no lumps remaining. This step is crucial for achieving that rich, velvety texture we're aiming for. Next, we'll prepare the heavy cream. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream until soft peaks begin to form. Be careful not to overwhip it. Then, gently fold the blended avocado and condensed milk mixture into the whipped cream. Mix just until everything is combined, ensuring you maintain that airy texture. This step adds lightness to our ice cream. Finally, it's time to assemble and freeze our delicious dessert. In a freezer-safe container, alternate layers of your avocado cream mixture and the crushed graham crackers. Repeat this process until all your ingredients are used up. Cover the container tightly and freeze for a minimum of 6 hours, or until the ice cream is completely firm. Enjoy your homemade avocado graham ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.